Hi, everyone. I've got something special today. It's this Best 70mai dash cam. This is considered a total must-have for this year. After testing it myself, I finally understand why it's so popular. Don't go anywhere because the value here is mind-blowing. Talking about quality, it is absolutely impressive. It features professional-grade components that feel heavy-duty. You can really tell they didn't cut any corners. It feels way more expensive than it actually is, giving you that luxury experience. The actual performance is where it truly shines. It makes your daily routine much more enjoyable. It's reliable, quiet, and honestly, just a joy to use every single day. It's a major upgrade to your productivity and lifestyle. Now, here's the catch. They are selling out fast. Click the link below right now and secure yours at the best possible price today. Don't wait until it's gone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.